So we have just registered with a fictional email address on apply.iulm.it, which is our official application platform. And we received two welcome emails, as you can see on screen. One is for the account activation, as you can see. And the sender is Dream ID. And the second one is the welcome email once you have confirmed your account and your email address. We are using a fictional character for this purpose. Now, once you have accessed your personal area in the application platform, what you will see is a quick recap of your essential personal data, so name and surname and email address, which should be confirmed. And after that, you are requested to pick the intended degree program from our full academic offer. Once you pick the intended academic program, this screen will appear and you'll have several steps, as you can see: profile, contacts, education, languages, references, motivation, documents, other, and finally the checklist. You are requested to fill in all the fields, all the mandatory fields of this form with your personal information, your contacts. Remember that the email address should be in use, and this email address is going to be your contact endpoint throughout the application process, your previous education experience, your languages spoken, 2 reference letters which are to be written by your professors. For many courses, these reference letters are mandatory. A self-motivation letter, which can be typed directly into the platform in this blank space. All the documents requested for application can be uploaded directly in the platform in this field. And we kindly ask you to indicate which is the channel where you learned about our university. In this case, we selected university website. Once you have finished, a checklist will appear, which is going to be longer than this because this is just a trial checklist with 3 items. But usually if we are applying to an existing degree program, the checklist is made of more than 5 items. And once you have completed all the requested fields in the form, you are ready to click on Submit Application. Now, after a few days that you have submitted your application to Università IULM, the Students' Administrative Office will take in charge your own application, and your file, your personal file, will advance through the next step of the application process. Now, I'm going to share my screen again, and I'm going to show you what happens in the next phase of the application process. So after you click on Submit Application, and the application is received by the university, by the Students' Admission Office, what happens next? I'm going to show you step by step what is the new procedure that we have implemented starting from this intake. So, screen share. Okay. Now, as I told you before, you are requested to check your personal email address, the one that you used in order to register on apply.iulm.it on a regular basis, at least once a day. At a certain point, after a few days from your application submission, you will receive an email from IULM University, no reply at iulm.com. And the object will be, please activate your ESSETRE account. Also, do remember to check your spam as well on a regular basis, as your email inbox filter may send emails coming from our application platform to spam from time to time. So whenever you see this email with this object, please activate your ESSETRE account. Here we are. You click on the email. As you can see, you get a brief presentation. We have prepared for you an account in our university's student information system, ESSETRE. This information system is separate from the application platform that you have used in order to register your account and submit your application. This is for the university's internal purposes. In the past, students were requested to register and create an account by themselves, also on the university students' information system. We did realize that this was extremely time-consuming and at times also confusing for many of the applicants. So we synchronized our application platform, apply.iulm.it, with the students' information system, ESSETRE. What happens is that when you receive this link that I'm going to click in a few moments, you will be redirected to a landing page on our student information system where your student's account is basically already filled out with all the relevant information that you have put inside apply.iulm.it. So let's proceed and let's see what happens in the next steps. We strongly suggest you to right-click on the link and to open the link in an anonymous tab. So we click on the link and we open a new tab in anonymous navigation. And we land on this page, which would be your landing page when you click on the link provided. Once you get on this page, you should click on this button, Attivazione account esterno web. So we click on this button. And as you can see, you have a sort of short recap of the personal authorization details for your personal account, which has already been created on the University Information System platform. Our suggestion would be to either make a screenshot of this page. A screenshot would be better. So I'm gonna make a screenshot and I'm gonna save it on the desktop. You never know. it's safer to do a screenshot. Okay, so you do this. Then, after you made the screenshot, you can take note of your username, which would be this one. Of course, this is a fictional character that we are using. And then you can copy and paste your password in your clipboard or in a new Word file. Once you've done this, you can click on this button, which means go ahead, next. So a mask will appear, a login mask like this. And so you can use your username. You receive a hello message, and then you type in your password, the one that we have just saved in the clipboard. So you can also paste it from your clipboard. Once you have made your access, you will be redirected again. And this is another useful page where you can complete your personal data. You click on complete your personal data. This page is meant to recap quickly the data that you have already provided when you registered on apply.iulm.it. There might be some fields, for example, the street number, which need to be corrected. But generally speaking, all the data that you have provided in the previous steps is already here. So you don't need to register a second time. You just check that all the mandatory fields are completed. So in case you encounter any problems or mismatches in the data, you will see all the fields requesting your attention in red. You just correct what is wrong or what is not completed in a correct way, and then you click on forward. Now, once you get to this page, you move to the page menu on the top right corner of the screen. You click on menu. You click on Registrar's Office. So again, from the side menu of the page, you click on Admission Test. You get to this page. You click on the link provided on the page, and you will see another recap of the admission test pre-evaluation fee that you have registered for. You click on print MAV, you get a redirect to the tax section of the portal, of the information portal. And as you can see, a payment slip of 50 euros will appear, which is the payment due in order to get your documents assessed by the Students' Administrative Office of the university. In other words, it is the pre-evaluation fee. You click on the code, on the invoice code, and then you click on Pay with PagoPA, which is an online payment platform active here in Italy, but it can be reached also from abroad. You click on it, and you are redirected to this web page with a recap again of your personal data. You select Pay Online as the payment method. You select Enter with the email, and you copy and paste your email address, which in our case would be this one. Of course, as I told you before, again, this is a fictional character, so you just read your personal data statement and the GDPR compliance. You click on Continue, and then you select how you would like to pay. We suggest credit card. After you pay this pre-evaluation fee of 50 euros, a payment receipt will be issued by this very portal. Please remember to download the payment receipt that you will get from this portal on your desktop, and then upload the file on apply.iulm.it in the checklist, in the section named pre-evaluation fee payment, application fee payment. This is very important because we need to double check that you have paid the pre-evaluation fee in order to proceed with the evaluation of your documents. After this step is performed, your documents will be evaluated by the Students' Administrative Office of the university, and you will receive another email in your personal inbox with the date of your admission test in case you are declared eligible for admission. So this would be the new procedure starting from this intake towards September 2023 onwards. For any further questions, feel free to get in touch with us.